Okay, so hello students, welcome back. In this problem, we are going to solve this differential equation over here. And this differential equation is dy by dx plus y times tan x is equal to y cube secant x. Now you see that this is not a linear differential equation, right? It's not a linear ODE because a linear ODE would be in the form of dy dx plus p of x multiplied by y is equal to q of x. Of course, like p of x can be a constant and q of x could be a constant. But here you can see this y cube term, it's sitting in the right hand side, which is causing the problem. So what we do is that we take, we divide the entire equation by y cube, and that will give us y, like dy dx divided by y cube here, plus y tan x divided by y cube, which will give us tan x by y squared, and secant x y cube divided by y cube, which will give secant x, which is written as 1 by cos x. Okay, now what you do is that we want the z to be a new variable, and we write z is equal to 1 by y square. Why are we doing that? Because as you can see here, in the linear differential equation, in the form we have got px multiplied by y, right? So here we are trying to imitate tan x as something like px, and the rest of the thing is 1 by y square. So we don't need 1 by y square over here, we need a z over here. That's a new variable. So that's why we take z is equal to 1 by y square. And then you see that dz by dx would be equal to negative 2 times 1 by y cube dy by dx, right? So we substitute, uh, z is equal to 1 by y square, and if you write dy by dx on the left hand side, dy by dx, it would be um, okay, no, maybe what you can do is that you can write dz by dx, pardon me. What you can write is, you can take this 2 minus 2 on the left hand side, and you can write 1 by minus 2 dz by dx is equal to, instead of dy dx, you can write y prime divided by y cube. So this is also another thing which we are going to substitute, right? So instead of y prime by y cube on the first term, we'll write minus half dz by dx, and so on, right? Instead of 1 by y squared, we'll be writing z, right? So what you get here from here is that we'll get minus half dz by dx, which is equal to z prime, right? Plus tan x multiplied by z, so z times tan x, and then that would be equal to 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x. And from here, if you multiply both the sides of the equations by negative 2, you'll get z prime minus 2z tan x is equal to minus 2 by cosine of x. Okay, now this particular equation is in the form of, like dy dx plus px over px into multiplied by y multiplied by is equal to q of x, right? So what you do is that integrating factor you find. Now the integrating factor is nothing but e to the power integration of p of x dx, right? Okay, so now p of x here is equal to minus twice minus 2 times tan x, and then you take the integration of that to be equal to, I mean, you can work it out. It will become e to the power log cosine squared x plus c. Okay, now once you get this integrating factor, of course, like if you write this down, write this integrating factor properly, it will become cos squared x, correct? So you multiply both sides by cos squared x, right? And on the left hand side, you get z multiplied by cos squared x. The differentiation of that is equal to cos squared x multiplied by minus 2 cos of x, because qx is equal to minus 2 by cos x, right? So you multiply it minus 2 by cos x by cos square x. What you'll get is nothing but minus cos x. So this is the like the new differential equation you find, you get, and then integrating both sides, like integration of minus 2 cos x dx will be equal to minus 2 will come outside the integration. It will be cos x dx, integration of cos x dx. Integration of cos x dx is is equal to sin x dx, right? Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Integration of cos x is sin x. So we'll get minus 2 sin x plus a constant c, and that's exactly what you have got over here, right? And you see that y is equal to so this is equal to z uh, cosine square x, right? Okay. So instead of z, you put 1 by y square, right? So once you substitute that, this is what you get. So let me write it down, maybe with a blue pen, blue pen. Okay. So what you get is z multiplied by cosine square x is equal to minus 2 sine x plus c, and of course, like z is equal to 1 by y square. So 1 by y square is equal to, okay, so 1 by y square. What I'll do is that I'll just, like write down this entire equation once more. Cos square x is equal to minus 2 sine x plus c. And then, if you want to just find out y square, so y square would be, you bring the y square on the top, and then minus sine minus 2 sine x plus c in the denominator. So it will become equal to cos square x divided by minus 2 sine x plus c, and y would be equal to square root of cos square x divided by minus 2 sine x plus c. Okay, and hence that is our answer. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching.